Hello folks, welcome to MRReddy Automation. In this video, we are going to learn about TestNG annotations. I will give insight about what exactly annotation, how to use annotation in our test script, and what are the different types of annotations supported by TestNG. Okay, let's get started. Annotation is just like a label for our automation test, and we can control the flow of our script execution by using these annotations. I will show you how can we control the script execution flow after a while. Okay. Next, how can we use these annotations in our test script? As you can see here, at the rate annotation name. In previous session, we have seen about at the rate test, right? You can notice here at the rate test is annotation and the launch application is test method. It launches the application. We can specify at the rate test on top of this test method. Okay. In this way, we can use annotations. Now, let us see what are the different types of annotations available in TestNG. As you can see here, these are the list of annotations. At the rate test means if you specify these annotations for any test method, then it will be identified as TestNG test. Before suit means the method which is associated with this annotation will be executed once before suit. Okay. After suit means the method which is associated with this annotation will be executed after suit. Don't worry, just to understand the concept, I will show you practically. Okay. Before test means it will execute before each test. After test means it will execute after each test. Before class. Okay. The method which is associated with this annotation will be executed before each class. After class means it will be executed after each class. Next, before method. The method which is associated with before method will be executed before each method. After method means it will be executed after each method. Okay. I have created one class. Its name is annotations. Okay. It is having two methods, test1 and test2. It is associated with at the rate test annotation. Okay. First, let me execute this one and see the output. Yeah. You can see output here. This is test1 and this is test2. It is executed. This is normal way, right? Now let us try to add other annotations and see the behavior of this test. First, we can go with these two annotations, before method and after method. Okay. So before method means this piece of code will be executed before. So how many times it will be executed? Before test1 and before test2. After method means it will also execute two times. After test1 method and after test2 method. Okay. Let me execute. You can see here, this is before method. It's been executed before test1, right? It is executed after this test1. Okay. Similarly, before test also, it's executed once and after test2 also, it's executed once. Okay. Now let me comment this one. Let me go with before class and after class. Before class means this will be executed before this class. What is the class? Annotations. After class means it will be executed after class. Okay. So how many times it will be executed? Only one time, right? We have one class. Before executing this class, it will be executed first. After completion of class execution, it will be executed once. Okay. Let us try to execute this one. You can see here before class, after class. Okay. This piece of code is executed before class and after class. This piece of code is executed after class. Okay. Next, before test and after test. Let me comment this one. This piece of code will be executed once before each test. And after test means this piece of code will be executed after each test. Just open this TestNG suite. In previous session, we have created this one, right? What is the structure of TestNG XML suite? Suite, test, and classes methods, right? As you can see here, we have two tests. This is test 1 and this is test 2. We discussed, right? Test name nothing but we can specify module name. Okay. Here we have two tests, right? Test 1 and test 2. So before test will be executed, before executing this test 1, once this execution is done, after test will be executed. Again, we have another test, right? Test 2. Before this test also, it will be executed before test method. Okay. And once this execution is done, it will be executed after test annotation method. Okay. So in our case, before test will be executed two times, right? For test 1 and for test 2. And after test also will be executed two times. After test 1 and after test 2. Okay. Let me execute and see the results. You can see here before test. This annotation is executed before test 1 and before test 2. Two times it's been executed. And after test, it's been executed after this test 1. Okay. And executed after test 2 as well. Okay. Before test executed two times and after test executed two times. Okay. What is next one? Before suit and after suit. Let me comment this one and uncomment before suit and after suit. This before suit will be executed before executing this entire suit. Okay. How many suits we have? Only one suit, right? Regression test. So before suit will be executed once before executing this entire suit, and after suit will be executed after completion of this entire suit. So how many times it will be executed? It will be executed once, right? And it will be executed once. Let me execute this one. Yeah, you can see here before suit. This annotation is executed once and after suit annotation is executed once. For now, just understand the behavior of these annotations. Okay. In upcoming framework sessions, we will see some real-time examples. This is all about annotations. That's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.